Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Fearless English podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to improve your English speaking, learn useful English vocabulary, and speak with more confidence, you're in the right place.
Today's lesson is perfect for beginners. We are going to learn how to express feelings in English.
That's right. Many English learners use the same words again and again. They say, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm angry. But English has many more feeling words.
And today, we'll learn simple English words that native speakers use every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll know better ways to talk about your emotions in English.
Before we begin, we have a challenge for you. Listen carefully and count how many new feeling words you learned today. Then write your favorite word in the comments below. Ready? Let's begin.
If I say, I'm sad, people understand me. Why should I learn more words?
Good question. Imagine someone asks, how are you today? You say, I'm sad. That is okay, but maybe you're not really sad. Maybe you're tired, lonely, worried, disappointed, frustrated. These feelings are different.
So, more words help us explain our feelings better?
Exactly. More feeling words help people understand you, and they make your English sound more natural.
Let's learn some new ways to say, I'm sad. 1. Unhappy. This means not happy. Example, I'm feeling unhappy today. 2. Upset. Use this when something bad happens. Example, I'm upset because I lost my phone.
This is a very common English word.
3. Down. Native speakers use this all the time. Example, I'm feeling down today. It means you feel sad and low on energy.
4. Blue. This is a simple English idiom. Example, I'm feeling blue because I miss my family.
I love that one. It sounds very natural. Here are 2 easy ways to talk about feelings. Pattern 1. I am plus feeling word. Examples, I'm upset, I'm tired, I'm frustrated. Pattern 2. I feel plus feeling word. Examples, I feel lonely, I feel worried, I feel upset.
So both patterns are correct?
Yes, use whichever feels easier. The important thing is to practice speaking.
Now let's talk about happy feelings.
Great! Here are some useful words. Excited. I'm excited about my vacation. Glad. I'm glad you called. Cheerful. I'm feeling cheerful today. Great. I feel great today.
I use excited a lot.
And that's excellent English.
Sometimes we are not happy. Sometimes we are angry.
That's true, but there are other useful words too. Annoyed. This means a little angry. Example, I'm annoyed by the loud music. Frustrated. Use this when something is difficult. Example, I'm frustrated because I don't understand this grammar lesson.
I feel frustrated when I study prepositions.
Many English learners do.
Let's practice together. I'll ask a question. Hey Mia, are you okay today?
Not really. I'm feeling down.
Why?
I'm upset because I had a difficult day.
I'm sorry to hear that.
But I'm glad we're recording this podcast.
And I'm feeling cheerful today.
Great. Maybe your good mood will help me. Now it's your turn. Today's challenge is simple. Do not use the words happy or sad today. Instead, use one of our new words. Upset, down, blue, glad, cheerful, frustrated, annoyed.
Use one of these words in a real conversation today or write a sentence in the comments. For example, I'm excited because I'm learning English, or I'm glad I found this podcast.
Want to remember these words? Keep a feelings journal. Every night, write one sentence. Instead of writing, I was happy, write, I was cheerful because I met my friend. Or, I felt frustrated because my internet stopped working.
This simple habit will help you remember new vocabulary faster.
Today, you learned many new ways to express feelings in English. Now you can say more than just, I'm happy or I'm sad.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Fearless English Podcast. We create English-speaking lessons, listening practice, vocabulary lessons, and confidence-building content every week.
And don't forget our challenge. Write one sentence in the comments using a new feeling word. We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember, your goal is not perfect English.
Your goal is fearless English.
See you in the next episode.